algebraic indices, we should be familiar with indices in index form for numbers. So if we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, there's 6 2's being multiplied together. We can write that as 2 to the power of 6, where the 2 is called a base and 6 is the power or the index. We should also know that 5 cubed multiplied by 5 to the power of 4 is 5 to the power of 7. And the reason for that is 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5, and 5 to the power of 4 that we're multiplying it by is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, and altogether we can see that there are 7 5's, so that's going to be 5 to the power of 7. And again, with dividing, we should know that whenever we have 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3, or 3 to the power of 5 divided by 3 to the power of 1, that's equal to 3 to the power of 4. And again, we should know that 3 to the power of 5 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and divided by we can write as over 3. And then we can cancel out the common factor with 3, and we'll be left with 3 to the power of 4. But generally speaking, whenever we're dividing, we subtract the powers. Also then, whenever we've got a term and a bracket outside, so 4 cubed to the power of 5, that means 4 cubed times 4 cubed times 4 cubed times 4 cubed times 4 cubed. And using our rules for multiplying indices where we add the powers, then we're going to have 5 to the power of 15. And these rules also apply to algebraic expressions. So if we have a to the power of x times a to the power of y, that's a to the power of x plus y. So we're adding x and y. And for dividing, we would take them away, so it would be a to the power of x minus y. And where in the brackets, we multiply. So x multiplied by y is x to the power of y. So examples, simplify a squared times a to the power of 4. So that's going to be a to the power of 2 plus 4, which is a to the power of 6. A to the power of 6 divided by a cubed. So that's going to be a to the power of 6 take away 3, which is a to the power of 3. X to the power of 6 in brackets to the power of 3, 9. So in the brackets we mean multiply. So that's going to be x to the power of 6 multiplied by 3n. And then 6 times 3 is 18. So 6 times 3n is 18n. So it's x to the power of 18n. Then the next example, we'll work out 5 to the 9 times 5 squared divided by 5 cubed. So if we work out the numerators, 5 to the 9 plus 2 over 5 cubed, which is 5 to the 11 over 5 cubed. And the over means divide, so that's 5 to the 11 divided by 5 cubed, which is 5 to the 11 take away 3, which works out to be 5 to the power of 8.